So let us learn about the acids of sulfur. Acids of sulfur, also known as oxyacids. Okay, oxyacids, oxyacids of sulfur. Total eight elements you will be learning. Sorry, total eight acids of sulfur you are going to learn in detail. First, I will brief up which are the eight acids. The first one is H2SO4. Who doesn't know this, right? This is also known as a sulfuric acid. Okay, or we call this to be oil of vitriol. Other name is oil of vitriol. Then second is sulfurous acid. That is H2SO3. Sulfurous acid. Then third is H2SO2. This is hyposulfurous acid. Fourth is H2S2O5. This is thiosulfuric acid. Thio Thiosulfuric acid. Next, fifth one is H2SO5. H2SO5. This is called as Carose acid. The name of this is Carose acid. Sixth is H2S2O8. This is Marshall's acid. Then here, seventh one is H2S2O7. Right? This is also known as oleum. These all these three acid which I have written, there is a peroxy linkages. Peroxy linkages means oxygen link with oxygen, and the oxidation state of oxygen is a -1 and -1. That is what the peroxy linkage is. And the last one is H2S2O6. This is dithionic acid. Here there is a SS linkages, sulfur linkages are there. Okay, so further we can go into the details of all the acids one by one. So to start with, I will start with a sulfuric acid. So first acid is H2SO4, and this is one of the oxy acids of the sulfur, and name is sulfuric acid. Okay. First, I will discuss with respect to the structure. Structure is very simple. Like sulfur has six valence electrons. So all the six valence electron will be occupied for bonding. Oxygen, oxygen double bond, and these are the 2OH. This structure is very simple. Means you have to just connect 2OH and two double bonded oxygen. Okay. Uh, Here hybridization. If you want to talk about the hybridization, Then hybridization is sp3. Okay, how? The number of atoms connected. Okay, hybridization is number of atoms connected plus lone pair of electron. So number of atoms connected are 4 and there are 0 lone pair. So therefore hybridization is total is 4, no? One is S and 3 are P. So hybridization is sp3. Now oxidation state of the sulfur in H2SO4, oxidation state, oxidation state of sulfur in H2SO4. Let us calculate it, right? H2SO4 means here uh, 2 into 1 plus sulfur, I'll put X, or you can put sulfur also. 4 into minus 2, because one oxygen has a minus 2 of the charge and overall charge is 0 on this. So 2 plus X minus 8 is equal to 0. So X is equal to 8 minus 2 and X is equal to 6. The oxidation state of the sulfur is plus 6, means sulfur over here is in maximum oxidation state. Um, Basicity for this is 2, or acidity, I can say that acidity, I'll discuss further. The acidity. Third is acidity. If you see the structure, this is a structure, double bonded oxygens, two oxygens are there. This is the OH and this is the OH. So both the hydrogens which are present are acidic, means these hydrogens could be removed and the negative charge will be formed on this oxygen that will be in the resonance with this structure. Means there are two acidic hydrogens. So acidity is dibasic. Dibasic means we will require 2 moles of base to neutralize 1 mole of acid. Means we will require a 2H minus ion to neutralize this 2H plus which is generated. Basically, whenever it is H2SO4, uh, we split this in this way, 2H plus and SO4 2 minus. Right? This is what the acidity is. Now, acidic nature, if we talk more, if we go into the more detail of the acidic nature, I will write here acidic nature. Then H2SO4, H2SO4. This is a strong acid. This is a strong acid. Okay, here N is equal to 2, N factor is equal to, means it is giving me a 2H plus. Okay, further, if I split this as a 1 of the H plus and HSO4, HSO4 minus, means this is amphoteric. This is amphoteric. Means why I am calling this to be an amphoteric, that this this can act as a acid as well as base. Means like according to the Bronsted concept, acid is something which can donate. Okay, so if we talk about the Bronsted concept, okay, so acid is something, it is, it donates H plus and base accepts H plus. So over here, this is the one. If HSO4 accepts H plus, then it will form a H2SO4, which is a acid. Okay, means, and if it still it is having a hydrogen, right? It is having one hydrogen. Still, if it split, if it loses its hydrogen, then it will change to SO4 minus. Means backside, if this reaction goes backside, mean that time this acts as an acid, and in the forward direction this will act as a base. And this, the product what we get is a weak base over here, and N is equal to 0. There is no hydrogens to give. Okay, this is about the H2SO4.